Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV enters the compact electric SUV segment with a strong focus on practicality, efficiency, and everyday usability. This vehicle is designed for drivers who want the benefits of electric mobility without sacrificing reliability or comfort. Toyota clearly aims to make the transition to electric simple and stress-free, and that philosophy shows throughout the vehicle. Instead of chasing extreme performance numbers, the Urban Cruiser EV is built to handle daily commuting, family errands, and city driving with confidence. From the outside, the SUV has a modern yet familiar Toyota identity. The front features a closed-off EV grille paired with sleek LED headlights connected by a thin light strip, giving it a futuristic appearance while still looking clean and simple. The bumper design includes rugged styling elements that make the vehicle feel more like a traditional SUV rather than a soft crossover. The side profile shows squared wheel arches in a slightly boxy shape, which improves interior space while also creating a confident road presence. Aerodynamic alloy wheels help improve driving range, and the contrast roof design adds a youthful touch. At the rear, a full-width LED tail lamp enhances visibility and gives the car a wider look. The overall styling balances modern electric design with practical SUV character. Inside the cabin, the layout is minimal and user-friendly. A digital instrument cluster and large infotainment screen sit at the center, offering wireless smartphone connectivity and clear graphics. Materials feel solid and durable, designed more for long-term use than decoration, and the seating position provides a comfortable view of the road. Under the hood, the Urban Cruiser EV offers battery options expected around 49 kWh and 61 kWh. This translates to an estimated driving range between approximately 350 and 450 kilometers depending on driving habits and configuration. Power output is expected in the range of 140 to 170 horsepower, which provides smooth acceleration and responsive city performance. Electric torque is delivered instantly, making merging and overtaking feel effortless in daily traffic. The suspension focuses on ride comfort rather than sporty stiffness, so rough roads and bumps feel controlled and stable. Fast charging capability allows the battery to reach around 80% in about 40 minutes using DC charging, while overnight home charging keeps ownership convenient for most users. Safety is one of the strongest aspects of the vehicle. Toyota includes its advanced driver assistance technology suite with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and multiple airbags. A 360-degree camera improves parking visibility, especially in tight urban environments. The dedicated electric platform keeps the center of gravity low, helping improve stability and control during cornering and sudden maneuvers. One of the biggest advantages of the Urban Cruiser EV is its reliability-focused engineering. Toyota emphasizes battery durability, efficient energy consumption, and low maintenance costs. The vehicle is designed to function as a dependable daily car rather than a short-term tech experiment. Combined with Toyota's large service network, owners gain confidence in long-term ownership even in regions where charging infrastructure is still developing. The expected price range sits roughly between $28,000 and $35,000 depending on trim and battery size, positioning it as an accessible electric SUV from a trusted brand. This makes it appealing to first-time EV buyers who want predictable ownership costs. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser EV delivers a balanced package of comfort, range, safety, and reliability. It does not try to be the fastest or most luxurious electric vehicle, but it succeeds in being practical and trustworthy. For drivers seeking a straightforward electric SUV built for real-world use, it stands out as a smart and dependable choice.